Yes, of course. We already applied to USA patent, Europe patent, Israeli one, Brazilian one, any area we can cover with our technology. We want to make sure that our technology and our future distributor will have the protection to do the work and go to the market with that device.
Very welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Eli Ben-Haroush. He's the CEO and co-founder of Zero Candida. And Eli, good to see you again. How are you?
Thank you. Thanks, Steve. I'm happy to be here again with you guys. So we have a great news to share.
Yeah, we're going to talk about securing a patent in South Africa. And before we get to that, let's talk a little bit about the company itself and the work that you do, which will obviously lead into this patent.
Well, amazing work. Well, our team we have a PhD consulting to the company, PhD patent. He worked with us a bunch of 5 years already. And we start to work in the patent in South Africa somewhere in 2022, we applied. And now we have it. We have the patent granted. It's a great news for investors, great news for the company, great news for everyone. And we keep moving. We keep moving with the patent for USA area and Europe area, Brazil area. We're working very hard in that area.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about what this patent covers. Is it the general design of the technology?
Well, I have an example here for a prototype that the size of the Zero Candida device is going to be. So we have a patent for everything. It's including the shape of the device, the pulse of the light that terminate the fungus with the successfully of 99.999%. So we have also covering the patent, the old data that come in here with the British go outside to the doctor computer, and all the data we collect from the woman by approval and move to the doctor directly and under the HIPAA license. So we cover the all information. So the patent is giving us protection for all over the device, including the IP, including the AI inside, including the whole procedures of the developing the product from A to Z.
So Eli, obviously that's the device. So explain to everyone how it's going to be used and what this technology is that you're developing.
Well, the technology we are developing is, first of all, Zero Candida can provide overnight treatment, non-drug treatment for Candida fungus inside the vagina. Until today, there is no solution, non-drug treatment that terminate the fungus overnight. We provide that device that the woman goes sleep with it, and that device is terminated the Candida overnight and collecting the data we need to provide to the doctor, like temperature, body, pH, and another sensor we have inside it. It's a lot of AI inside here. So by the day we're finishing, the next morning, the patient wash it. It's a multi-use. Device. She wash it and put it on the box of charging. And the minute he's coming inside, the all data by the AI go inside to the computer of the doctor, and he has the report what happened before and after the treatment. That's the new game changer between the patient and the woman doctor. That's our opinion.
Yeah. So Eli, obviously this patent is good in South Africa now. So are you looking at applications in other parts of the world as well?
Yes, of course. We already applied to USA patent, Europe patent, Israeli one, Brazilian one, any area we can cover with our technology. We want to make sure that our technology and our future distributor will have the protection to do the work and go to the market with that device.
Okay. All right. And last question, just to update everyone on where the development is at. Tell me what's happening into 2025.
Well, we have a great expectation, and for 2025, we would like to complete at least the USA patent. In 2025, we like to complete the clinical, preclinical, and clinical study by the last quarter of 2025. We expecting to finish in also the European patent, perhaps, and we're working in parallel the whole areas. And we like to finishing also applying to the device for Europe for using it as also a device for diagnose. And that kind of work we do it with our team. A lot of people working for that. Outside the company, inside the company, we're doing a great job together. For 2025, we're also going to be in the expedition of women health, gynecology, and we're looking forward to be around that area we're covering. So we're going to be there in USA expedition and also Canadian expedition for 2025.
Busy one for sure. Eli, thank you so much. Good to get an update as we end off the year, and we'll look forward to seeing you again in 2025, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Eli Ben-Harouche. She's the CEO and co-founder of Zero Candida.